this section, we are going to see what is the difference between two time intelligent functions called DATESYTD and TOTALYTD. Let's jump back to Power BI and see how these two functions behave. Here I have already created two measures using TOTALYTD and DATESYTD. Let's check their formula. TOTALYTD underscore DD stand for DATESYTD. For example, here we have, this is the formula that I have used. You can see that DATESYTD for calculating the expression I use calculate, and for filtering purpose I use DATESYTD. I use the function called YTD underscore T, which is T stand for TOTALYTD, for example, and then we have TOTALYTD. Here you can see that I haven't used any other function to get my values, to get the required result. I'm using only one function, that is TOTALYTD. That's it. Let's drop these two functions in my matrix table value and see is there any difference in the result. Result is same. I don't see any difference. Like for example, the value of January is same as this. These are the two functions that I have. These are the two measures that I have created using DATESYTD and TOTALYTD functions. If you see this closely, there is no difference at all whatsoever in the results. Everything is same. Even the aggregated part is same. So why Microsoft Power BI has created these two functions? Let's try to understand the actual difference between these two functions. Let's check first the syntax. If you see the syntax, in TOTALYTD we have some additional arguments. Like for example, we have expression which is not present in DATESYTD, and we have filters, we have filter, not filters, which is not present in TOTALYTD. That means TOTALYTD is sufficient to calculate the expression. In case of DATESYTD, we need additional functions like calculate to get the desired result. Also, the TOTALYTD returns this set of dates. It is not returning the value. To get the value, I need additional function like calculate. But in TOTALYTD, it is already returning the value, so I don't need any other function to get the desired result. The second difference is, if we are using DATESYTD along with calculate function, we can add the combination of filters. We are not restricted by only one filter as in case of TOTALYTD. We have only one filter in case of TOTALYTD. Of course, we with some complicated calculations, we can also use multiple filters in TOTALYTD. But why to do that if we can easily do that in DATESYTD or DATESYTD along with calculate function? To sum up, it depends on your requirement which functions you want to use. If you have only one filter or no filter, my advice is go with TOTALYTD. If you have multiple filters, it is always better to go with DATESYTD along with functions. I hope you understood the difference between these two functions. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next